The British government announced that it will impose a carbon levy on imported raw materials, including aluminium, iron, steel and cement from 2027. It is aimed at keeping business in the UK from being undercut by foreign producers. Carbon-intensive items in the cement, iron, steel, aluminium, fertilizer, hydrogen, ceramic and glass industries will be subjected to the carbon border adjustment mechanism. The amount charged will be determined by the quantity of carbon released during the manufacturing of the imported goods. This levy will make sure carbon-intensive products from overseas face a comparable carbon price to these products in the UK, so that the decarbonization efforts translate into reduction in global emission. In an effort to accomplish at its aim of having net zero emissions by 2050, Britain implemented an emission trading system in 2021 that levies fees on manufacturing, power plants and airlines for each ton of carbon dioxide they release. The first ever global system of CO2 emissions tariffs on imported steel, cement and other items were introduced by European Union in September. It won't start collecting CO2 emission fees at the border until 2026.